Hello art students. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your positive negative space designs project. So I'm on my computer looking at the objective slide, and it has some examples of what your design may look like. So you'll notice one side the shapes are made from black, and then the other side they're made from white, and then the background is the opposite color of whatever the shapes the design are. And that's what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to need a piece of white paper and a black piece of paper. If you don't have a black piece of paper, just use any other paper besides white you can find. You're going to need a pencil, some scissors, and some glue. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up your paper. And so I'm going to not have them directly on top of each other, but kind of about like that. So there's like that much space overlapping. And then I'm going to take my pencil and draw my design, and I'm going to do a smiley face design. Now you're only going to draw on the white paper, and you're going to draw half of the design, so I'm drawing half of a smiley face. So I'm going to start by drawing a circle, or half of a circle, along the edge. And you want your design to go along the edge, so half of it's here and the other half will end up here. So I have a half circle for my smiley face. Now I'm only going to draw one eye because the other one's going to end up over here, and then I'm going to draw the smile, but just part of it, okay? And notice how I'm not doing lines, I'm making actual shapes. Okay. Once you get done drawing half of your design, whatever it is, it can be whatever you want, you're going to cut it out. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm just going to follow my pencil lines as best I can. And you don't have to cut out perfectly on your lines, so just try to get close. Now, if you have an area like this where you have to cut out something in the middle, I'm going to show you a trick for that. It doesn't work perfectly, but you fold it right on the line, and you make a little cut so it makes a little hole, and then you can stick your scissors through there and cut on it. And like I said, it doesn't get perfect because you end up cutting a little bit more than you want. Yep, there we go. Okay, so now I want to make sure I keep all those pieces. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back where it was. So I'm kind of going to place it like a puzzle back where it was. So that was about there. I'm going to put this here. And you can go ahead and put these things back where they were if it helps you, but you'll notice you don't really need them there anymore. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip them over like a reflection. Okay, and you can see it makes a smiley face. Now, if we do it this way, we don't have our circle over here, and that's fine. So what we could do, let's move these back, and then if we do it this way, we'll have both halves of the circle. So it kind of just depends on what your design is, but you should have one side that the design is white with a black background, and one side the design is black with a white background. So you can see these pieces are black and a white background, and then these pieces are white with a black background to make up the smiley face. So it should look something like that. So all I did was take this big piece where it originally was, and I reflected it over. So once I have everything where it needs to go, where it looks like a reflection in the opposite color, I would just glue it down. And you would also glue down this paper. So you're gonna end up having some of the white hanging off, but that's fine. And I would just glue it down. And then when you get done with that, you need to make sure you take a picture of it and upload it to Buzz.